All right.
And we're good to go.
I'll get us started with question 3. Previous lessons, we had assumed the population standard deviation was known. In this lesson, we're making a different assumption about standard deviation. What has changed? It'd be A, we assume standard deviation is unknown.
And that's what I got as well. All right, let's see here. So number 4. Yeah, this is really
pretty much exactly the same.
This is really throwing me off having this stupid computer die on me. All right,
Yeah.
so all right. All right, so, you know, just asking if it's known, and no, it's not known because it says in the problem.
Right.
Question 4.
Exactly. Question 5. What is the value of t for this null and alternative hypotheses up here? So the equation for t is the mean, or the what's it, bar, x bar, the sample mean, minus the population mean, divided by the sample standard deviation divided by the square root of the population size. So the sample mean is 11 minus the population mean of 8 will give you 3, divided by the standard deviation, sample standard deviation is 6 over the square root of 9, and that will give you 2. So 3 over 2 is 1.5.
Mm-hmm. That's what I got. All right, number 6. So what is x, or what is the
sample mean?
Sample mean, and it is 98.220.
That's what I got. Yep. Okay, the next one, what's the sample standard deviation? It's 0.922. These are just taken from the software, the Excel.
Yeah. Did you do it already, the test? Are you doing the second time?
Yeah.
Okay, because for some reason I got like 7, 8, and 9 wrong for some reason. I couldn't figure out. So I don't know if I inputted the information wrong or something was up, and I didn't have time to figure it out.
7, 8, 9. I got those right.
Okay, and I got everything else right, and I didn't have time to go. I didn't have time to go back and figure out exactly. I wonder if I did put like the wrong.
I could
whether
see
it's greater than or.
Oh, that could be it. Right. Another pretty common error if you copied too many of the data.
I did the same as what, or at least I thought it. I don't know. Maybe. Yeah, I know what you're talking about. Like if you put too much of the data, because it says copy this amount.
But then also, it's probably more likely that, because you got to change like the confidence level, the null hypothesis, that all has to be changed. So I can probably, I could show you if you want to make me the presenter.
Yeah, show me real quick, just what.
Yeah. We can just, so if you just click on my picture, it should have an option to make me the presenter. Do you see where I'm talking about? So if you go to the Google Hangout page,
Oh, I gotcha.
my little picture down at the bottom right, there should be, if you click on that, it'll give you some options. There we go. Perfect. Okay. And then I'll share my screen. Okay, so we want. This is body temp, right?
What's that?
Yeah, we're looking for the body temp.
Yeah, it's the body temp, not the baby boom, whatever.
Okay. Hold up. We want first 20, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So, and then the question, what was the type of test? Oops. So the type of test is less than, right?
Yeah.
So less than, okay. And then what was our confidence level? 0.05.
Mm-hmm. Oh, you know what? I think how much of a difference does it make if you don't change the confidence level? Does that mess it
It'll
up?
make a difference.
Yeah. I wonder if I didn't change the confidence level or something on that one.
Yeah.
Because I did on the other one. I know I did on the other one. So yeah, that would make sense.
Oh, it doesn't change the standard deviation at all. I'm not sure.
I don't know, dude.
Yeah.
I'll go back and figure it out.
Okay.
All right. Okay, so we got the standard deviation is 9.22 and
it's 0.922.
Yeah.
And then let's see here. The t-score. What's going on here? That doesn't look right. Oh, what's the null hypothesis?
It's
Null hypothesis is 98.6. That's why.
Yeah. Yeah.
98.6. And I'll give you the t-score of negative
There we go.
0.843. And then number 9. What's number 9?
Number 9 is it is the p-value.
Okay, so then we would just we put in. Did it have a? Oh yeah, here it is. So if we put in negative 1.843, and it's just the left.
Okay.
Or what's this one? Oh, and then we also have a degree of freedom of 19. That's why. And then it's just to 3 decimals, so it'd be 0.041.
Okay. Yeah, I don't know what I did on those, but okay.
That could also be the degrees of freedom, because if you leave it at it just automatically has it as 3. If you leave it at that, you'll be off. I did that. The degree of freedom is the population number minus 1, so 20 minus 1.
Okay. All right. 110.
All right. Let's see here.
So I'll go with, I'll do, so number 10. So number 10 is, what is the correct decision based on the evidence? And since the we reject the null hypothesis, so the p-value is less than the level of significance, and the level of significance is 0.05, so we will reject it because ours is.
So if p-value is less than the level of significance, we'll reject it.
Yep.
Right? But if it's greater than, we'll fail to reject it.
Exactly.
So it is greater than 0.0, or wait. So it's rejected. Did I? So you said reject it?
Yeah.
Okay. That's 0.05.
But yeah, so the p-value is what, 0.041.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah. Okay.
I don't know why I wrote down the opposite. I wrote down that we would fail to reject it.
Okay. But yeah, I'm pretty sure it's reject.
Okay. Okay.
All right.
Number 11. So then we're doing the we're using the baby boom info. Pull that up. Just the wait times. Okay. So for this one, I was really thrown off because it gives us. Hold up, I gotta switch this to no. Hypothesis is 40.01, right? Level of confidence.
Yeah.
That's not equal to. Okay, so this one I was really thrown off because it said I got it wrong when I put in 0.905 as the p-value. Is that what
really?
you got? Uh-huh.
Well, I put point. Well, I left it. You know what? I left the confidence level. What did I? Hold on a second. Let me see something here.
And I was so confused because I even went through and I put in the t-value of negative 0.121.
Uh-huh.
And then negative 0.121, and then it was not, so it's a two-sided, and that gives you 0.905, which is what it says in the software. But it said I got it wrong, so I don't know if there's a problem with the quiz.
Let me think what I did here. So I did so I got 40. I'm trying to even think how I got my answer. Because I got it right.
Yeah, what did you get?
And mine was it was 0.995.
Oh, 0.995?
Yeah.
What am I doing wrong?
And I don't know because I didn't change the confidence level. Like I just left it at 0.95 for some reason. But then when I changed, let me see when I changed that. Wait.
Oh, 0.9.
No. Well, look on the sample means for the t-test. Are you sharing your screen right now still?
Yeah, I think I am.
Okay, let me look at yours real quick. Okay, what do you have different than me? Because I'm trying to see on my p-value at the bottom there on the one sample t-test, the p-value. Mine says
I can't
point.
see your screen.
Well, I'm just telling you that mine says
Yeah.
0.995 on that p-value right there.
Really?
Yeah. So let me
What?
see
Okay.
what's.
So does it say it says mean 39? Is this the same? Or anything
Let's see.
different?
See, mine doesn't even have any of that in there.
Really?
Yeah, mine didn't even figure the mean and the standard deviation. Try
What?
like erasing those or something.
Oh, I think I did that. Maybe. No, because it'll still have.
No,
'Cause I
look,
think
now
the
that you
formula
erased
is.
it, now that you erased those, now
Oh,
it's the right p-value. That's the right answer.
that's weird. Okay, but then also that's wrong then. But so weird. Huh?
I know. I don't
Maybe
know.
I don't either. Oh, I guess no, because it says. Oh, well. Oh man, I'm kind of. Oh wait, I wonder if because this should probably be 21. Is that what it was? And I had 20.
Yeah, yeah, that could be. Yeah.
No,
No, that didn't change the p-value though.
didn't change it. Yeah, I don't
I don't
know,
know, man. Well,
but we'll get
0.995
995. Yeah.
answer. All right. So
All right.
moving on.
Mhm.
Number 12, so that if it's, let's see. So the p-value is less. The p-value is greater than, so we fail to reject the null hypothesis on 12.
Okay. Yeah, that's what I got. Okay, so number 13, you decide to try another alternative hypothesis. This time, the alternative hypothesis is that the mean is less than 40. Keep the same level of significance. Did the p-value increase or decrease? It would decrease because you're only taking the
Correct.
left side of the.
And then after the decision on that, when you change it, it doesn't. It's still not. It's still not less than the level of significance. So it's failed to reject again.
Okay. Sorry, I'm still stuck on this. Oh, there it goes. So so that I think what it was is my degree of freedom was wrong.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, there, got it. That makes me feel better. Okay, wait. So for 14, it's still above, so we'd still fail to
Yep,
reject.
it still failed to reject. Yep.
Okay. All right, number 15. I got these last two wrong because I was using the wrong data. So to get our, and actually it gives it to us, right?
Yeah. Yeah. If you have the information right,
It would
it's
be 39 point, or the lower is 39.947.
no, that's not right.
No.
Uh-uh. So let me see.
Yeah, I noticed their formula was off because they didn't take into account the t value,
Yeah.
right? Because you'd have to find the margin of error, right?
Yeah.
And that would you do that by taking the t value, which is 0.006. Sorry, I'm trying to write this down. 0.006, and then you multiply that by the standard deviation over the square root of n, which would actually be n was 21, right?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Do you have the answer for that?
Yeah, it's 23.5.
Okay.
I'm trying to figure out. Let me see
So
here.
is that's the margin of error, or is that the lower?
So that's the lower. Oh, the lower limit. The actual answer is 23.5. The lower limit.
Okay. Let me just find the margin of error real quick. Well, you already know you got it right, but okay. So lower. Do you know the margin of error?
I'm trying to figure out what. I'm trying to figure out because now that I switched my spreadsheet around to what it wasn't, and now mine's different. My answer's different too.
Oh. Let me just find the
Hold
margin
on.
of error real quick.
Yeah.
It'll take long. Okay, so square root of 21 is 4.583. Then the mean of 36.356 divided by 4.583 times.
Oh, you know what? You know what you needed to do on so you're trying to find the 95% confidence level.
Uh-huh.
So you just type in 95.95 in the confidence level on the
In the
Excel
area, right?
spreadsheet. Yeah. And then it'll give you the answer. It gives you the confidence interval.
It gives you T, right? Wait, what?
So just go back to your spreadsheet, your Excel,
Okay.
and then so in your confidence level, yeah, right there.
Uh-huh.
Just type in 0.95.
Ah, there it
And
goes.
then it gives you the confidence interval, which that gives you the low and the high.
Okay. That makes sense. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe that was kind of. I think that whole the end was just throwing me off because which it should have.
Well, it tells you all to do it by Excel spreadsheet, and then
Well, let me do this. We do a count function. It is 21. I was using 20. That's where all my problems stemmed.
yeah,
Okay.
probably.
So then it's 23.5 and 56.6.
Yep.
All right. Guess I'll. Stop sharing.
And you got thrown off on the last one. I got thrown off on the first one.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. All right. Well,
Good. It's all right.
I think together we got it.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to go back and watch the videos again. Just
Yeah.
make sure I get everything.
I know. I did kind of hurry through it, but
Yeah.
I think I got it. Especially with being that it's on a spreadsheet where it's already got all the formulas embedded.
Yeah, I know.
It wasn't too bad. So.
All right, man. Well, cool. Well,
All
have
right.
a good night. We'll
You
talk to you
too.
later. All right.
Bye.